Hamilton High and Kingsbury High inducted the first NAF academies in the state of Tennessee. This cohort began with 9th grade. NAF, let me explain it like this, it's a national organization of business and community and schools coming together to transform the high school experience.
Our students who are enrolled in the Academy of Health Science, they're here for their first work-based learning tour. They're here so they can learn about the various careers in health science.
I actually learned that some of the career jobs only took 2 years to accomplish what you need to get the certifications that you need in the job. So it was pretty amazing.
And they show us about the new technology they're dealing with. And I was kind of new because first time we know how they keep their medicines and stuff.
It has been very informational. I have learned what goes into like all types of careers, and it has been very motivating to see what I want to do when I get out of high school.
I feel as if if you don't ask questions, then you won't get anywhere. You won't learn more, but if you dig in deep with questions, then you could gain more knowledge until oh, is this what I really want to do, or if it's not what I really want to do.